Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well in your life. So, now it's time for us to understand the Lyme disease, and we will also add the treatment so that you will be able to fight with the shitty bitty things from your life. So, now let's understand in a very simple language with right way of knowledge. Lyme disease is an infection caused by a bacterium which is called a Borrelia burgdorferi. Okay, I repeat, Borrelia, इसको people बरेलिया भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है, burgdorferi. Okay, so it is transmitted to humans through the bite of infected black legged ticks. ये जो black legged ticks होते हैं ना, मैंने उनका पिक्चर्स भी आपको दे दी है. इन्हीं के जब बाइट करता है, वो भी ये जब बाइट करेगा जब ये इन्फेक्टेड होगा, ठीक है. जब ये इन्फेक्टेड होके बाइट करेगा आपको, तब जाके आपको लाइम डिजीज देखने को मिलेगी अपने शरीर पे. नाउ वी विल ऑल्सो डिस्कस द मोस्ट कॉमन सिम्टम. ओके, so you will be able to judge what is happening in your body. First of all, you will feel fever, fatigue, headache, and characteristics skin rash, definitely known as the erythema migrans. Okay, erythema migrans, which often looks like a bullseye. Okay, and now if detected early, अगर इसको जल्दी पकड़ लिया गया, किसको, लाइम डिजीज को, so it can be a very easily treated by the antibiotics as well as with the help of doctor. Okay, but however left untreated, अगर आपने इसको untreated छोड़ दिया, अगर इलाज ही नहीं करवाया, so the infection may lead to more severe complications definitely that you are going to face. So you need to be very aware of this. So it will definitely affect the heart, nervous system and joints, okay, if you don't treat it well. So now it's time to understand the treatment as well. As if you are looking for the best ever treatment for the Lyme disease, so you are very good to hear. Now let's understand in a very simple language. But first of all, let me tell you that इसको measure करना, prevent करना, such as यूज करना, किसका यूज करना, रेपेलेंट केमिकल होता है जो किससे दूर रखता है आपको, कीटनाशक से, यानी कि कीड़ों से, ठीक है ना. और ये ज्यादा जरूरी है आप लोगों के लिए कि अवेयरनेस फैलाई जाए सिम्टम्स को लेकर. और सिम्टम्स क्या है वो मैंने पिछली स्लाइड में आपको बता ही दिया था, ठीक है ना. हम बात कर रहे हैं यहां पर ट्रीटमेंट की. तो ट्रीटमेंट देखो, इसमें सबसे ज्यादा मोस्ट इफेक्टिव ट्रीटमेंट है वो एंटीबायोटिक्स का कोर्स, ठीक है ना. और ज्यादातर इसको लिया जाता है जब आपकी अर्ली स्टेजेस होती हैं, जब आप स्टार्टिंग होती है इन्फेक्शन की. So the choice of antibiotics and the duration of treatment depend on the severity of the symptoms. याद रखना कि symptoms कितने हाई हैं या लो हैं, कितने समय से आपको symptom है, ये सारा डॉक्टर आपको बताएगा. तो you need to consult first of all to your doctor, then he will guide you best ever treatment. But I am giving you the information so that you will be very informative at that time. So thank you very much for watching our valuable content. Keep sharing our video if you like the way I talk.